Welcome back to my channel, and today winter is coming, so what we're gonna do today is blow up a snowmobile, or some we say in Sweden, snöskoter. And for that reason we have my friends that have a snowmobile club, and this is gonna be really great. Here we have prepared with 3 kilo of dynamite, and then we put some wood on it, so we really throw this snowmobile away. And then we're gonna detonate this, and I think this will be a world record of how far you can throw a LYNX. Everything is prepared. And I guess this goes up 30-40 meters. And or maybe I'm wrong, but still, the LYNX don't survive.
Här ska tändas! Tänd på det här!
This was a really great explosion, and you're gonna see what's the rest of the skoter, some we say in Sweden. And here we have some parts. And here you have a lot of things, and I think it's gonna be really difficult to fix this snowmobile. One camera down for this day's explosion. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and it was really nice if we have 100,000 that will subscribe. And really have a happy winter, and please take care of each other. Bye bye.
Tänd på det här!